Yo guys, welcome Christmas Vlogs guys. So, welcome to the vlog, and yeah. Time for school. Not looking forward to see you guys after school. So guys, I'm hoping to wash that Subaru back there today. The reason why my whole washing schedule on my cars is delayed and slowed down is because, you know, it's below 32, and that rate, if you didn't watch my one of my last vlogs that was out on Monday, yeah, it freezes your car and it just doesn't work, but later when it warms up it does. But now it's just staying 32 all day consistently. Whenever it does get higher into the 40s or 50s, I'll start washing it. Hopefully today. Fingers crossed. Alrighty guys, what I'm planning on doing at this moment is going to clean my Subaru Impreza here, the interior and then quick exterior. Yeah, practically that's it. It isn't necessarily that dirty, but to me it is. I just kind of want to clean it, so I'll show you around a little bit and then we'll wipe her down, make her look shiny again. Probably I'll do this next week more extensional and one more time, but since I only have about 30 minutes to do it today, we're just gonna quickly wipe her down and then go to the car wash and clean her there, since there's no hose here to hook up to clean it. So yeah.
Like a fire that burned so bright, I was day and you were night. Like a spark we were quick to ignite. Then you ask yourself, is it worth this fight? I love you so much sometimes, baby, I felt like I couldn't breathe. When I look in your eyes, I know I'm right here where I need to be. This could be the last time we see each other, but I wanted you to know that this ain't over. If you fall, I'll pick you up. Never too much. Carry these memories till we're older. Catch me falling now. Need you here somehow. Catch me falling now. This ain't over. You know that.
Alrighty guys, we got her looking sharp and fresh again, so that is good. Now we will wash her at the car wash before I go to work today, but I'll show you her first. She's looking pretty shiny. Probably can't tell much of a difference, but this is shinier. You know, we need to get that carpet fixed, but yeah, I got the stuff fixed it somewhere. So yeah, see you guys on the walk around before I wash the car. Got the car wash here. This one only takes a quarter to wash. I brought a bunch of quarters, but only need one, but more for later. So yeah, I had to run back in and grab them. She is pretty dirty. From the camera she looks clean, but she ain't. Trust me on that, she is not that clean as she looks on camera, so she is pretty dang dirty. Oh man, you can just see shininess on the camera. Yeah, dirty. Dang, that's a nice shot. Woo, I like that shot. Alright, we're gonna time on it at 1 minute and 30 seconds at 1/4. Actually, I'll just leave this live with me. guys, I decided to wash it twice, spray it off with 2 quarters instead of 3 minutes worth. So yeah. So she's looking pretty pristine now. I can see how pristine that is. So yeah, pretty pristine, and I'm getting a bug guard for that, so it'll look better. Time for work, and I'll see you guys after work, maybe. Hey guys, so sadly that's it, but of course I'll see you guys Wednesday, cause it's every moon, bro. Peace out.